Obliterator bot! Obliterate!
Mommy! I'm not really a hero, I'm just an actor. An A-list actor. But still, my name's not really Tommy Thunder either. It's Erwin Fertilmeister.
Well, Erwin, in that case...
Hey! What did Obliterator bot ever do to you? Other than try to obliterate you. Ugh, you're lucky my muffins are ready.
We've just arrived on the scene of what appears to have been an epic battle between Tommy Thunder and Eggman. Let's ask this bystander about Tommy's heroics in this latest brouhaha.
Tommy was great. A true hero.
Yep, that's right. Tommy did it all. And now that his hero research is finished, Tommy's ready to deliver a complicated, nuanced performance in his most realistic film to date, Attack of the Giant Ant People in Space.
Sonic, you showed a great deal of maturity in sharing credit with Tommy. Get ready for your reward.
You're gonna love the oysters, Rockefeller.
We're here for the VIP room?
There is no VIP room, and there never was.
I knew it.